Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Canon rock on acoustic guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chord progression. The main melody relies heavily on four essential chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four shapes, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This foundational step is crucial for building speed and accuracy later on. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes daily to these basic changes. Now, let's dive into the iconic main riff. For the original key, place a capo on the second fret of your acoustic guitar. We'll tackle the first four measures, which involve a specific fingerpicking pattern. Concentrate on using your thumb for the bass notes and your index, middle, and ring fingers for the higher strings. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence and accuracy. Moving forward, we'll cover the subsequent four measures of the main riff, building upon the pattern you've already learned. Following this, we'll explore the bridge section, which introduces a slightly different chord progression and feel. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm throughout both parts. Pay close attention to the dynamics, playing some sections softer and others louder to add expression. Aim for a smooth transition between the riff and the bridge. To truly master Canon rock, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing it by 5 to 10 beats per minute. If you encounter a challenging section, isolate it and practice it repeatedly until it feels comfortable. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insights into your technique and timing. Aim for a full, clean playthrough at a moderate tempo before attempting full speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.